Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Step 1. Identify the functional groups. The structure shows a terminal alkyne, HCC- at one end and a primary alcohol, O, at the other end, connected by a 3-carbon chain. Step 2. Count the total carbon chain starting from the hydroxyl-bearing carbon, C1, O, C2, C3, C4, C5. There are 5 carbons in the longest chain containing both the triple bond and the OH group, giving the parent chain pent. Step 3. Apply IUPAC numbering priority. The principal characteristic group is the alcohol, O, so numbering begins from the end closest to the OH group. Numbering from the OH end, C1 bears O, C2, C3, C4, C5. The triple bond is between C4 and C5 and the OH is at C1. Step 4. Construct the name parent chain is equal to pentane pent, suffix for alkyne is equal to -yn, suffix for alcohol is equal to -ol. Triple bond position is equal to 4, OH position is equal to 1. Name is equal to pent-4-yn-1-ol. Step 5. Verify no substituents are present, the chain is unbranched. The name pent-4-yn-1-ol correctly reflects a 5-carbon chain with a triple bond starting at C4 and a hydroxyl group at C1. Therefore, the correct answer is pent-4-yn-1-ol. The correct answer is shown on screen.